It's satsuma season in Louisiana. We are harvesting all this wonderful fruit right now. There has been some lack of fruit because of the late freezes that we saw this year, and because of the heat and drought, we are seeing some puffy fruit. Now, this is often seen on younger trees that are very vigorously growing. We can see it on older trees that have fruit set on late blooms, and that can cause that puffiness. Now, the sugars never really develop inside the fruit. It just doesn't taste that great, but it's nothing to be concerned about. Your young trees will outgrow this, and we are not going to have a drought every single summer with those excessive heat. So unfortunately for many of you, you may not be able to enjoy the fruits of your harvest, but just be aware that this is something that's called puffy fruit. It causes that irregular shape, but it's nothing to be concerned about. One other thing that we commonly get questions on when it comes to citrus in general is that citrus is grown on a rootstock called trifoliata, Poncirus trifoliata, and you can tell that that's what it is because of the 3 little leaflets and because of these thorns. Now, you will see these come out as suckers at the bottom of the citrus plant, and that is just the rootstock sending up stems that will create thorns, and these can just be removed, no problem. It is a good practice to go ahead and remove those from the trunks of the plants. So some issues with citrus, little puffy fruit, nothing to be concerned about. Those plants will outgrow it, and you can enjoy your citrus in future years. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.